We went to visit Seaside Lagoon in Redondo Beach, a combination of a splash pad and a beach. There's a gated entrance to the lagoon, which has a large stretch of beach around the water. In the lagoon are different types of water play structures. There's a small platform that shoots water up. We played in a fountain that shot streams of water in all directions. Then we walked across the lagoon to explore. We came to our favorite play structure, a multi-tiered fountain with a platform to jump off of. There's a water slide, but the water's deep and kids need to know how to swim. There's plenty of sand space to play in. And there's a grassy area for picnics. Seaside Lagoon was a fun beach and water activity to do on a summer day.